Hey guys, it's Bella, and today I'm going to show you how to make twisted ties for the ends of your friendship bracelets. So what you want to do is you want to separate your strings in half, so just like so. Just like that. And if you were to do one twisted tie, you would only need 2 bundles instead of 4. But I'm going to do two twisted ties. So I'm going to move this bundle out of the way. And this bundle I'm going to split in half, just like that. And what you want to do is you want to rotate the string to the left. Rotate one bundle of the string to the left. I do not recommend having less than 1 string, or less than 2 I mean, because it'll be harder, it won't look as good as it would if you did more string. So all I'm doing is rotating the string to the left, just like so, and I'm going to just like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate these strings to the right, just like that. So you can already see that you could see a twisted tie effect. And if you need to rotate your string again in case it's not twirling or not in case it's not spinning right, you could do that. So it's super easy. This is all you do. It's super easy, and yeah, you could if you wanted to, you could make a bracelet just by using this method. So cut strings and then split them in half, and then do this exact same thing. Okay, so all I'm doing is I think this is the length I want, so I'm just going to do a regular old knot, just like that. And it's super easy to do these ties, and yeah, it's just super easy. And I'm going to do a time lapse of the other one. So here are the finished twisted ties. They are super easy to do, and you will have some string left. I cut too much for this one, so I have a lot of string. And so I'm just going to get my scissors. Hold on. So I got my scissors, and all I'm going to do is just cut the string off. You could leave however much you want. Just gonna leave that much. And you could use this string for more bracelets. I think I'm going to do a tutorial on a rag rug bracelet. And if you guys like this bracelet and this bracelet on my wrist, I will put it in the iCard up there. And this one I'm going to film a tutorial, I think, tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye!